Hey guys, good morning. It is our last day of our trip here in Istanbul, Turkey. At nakapag-impake na po kami. So aga pa. We already had our breakfast as well. Sorry guys, hindi ko na na-videohan. Pero same lang naman yung laman nun. But today, aside from checking out from the hotel, marami pa actually activities na gagawin. Pupunta pa kami sa Blue Mosque. Pupunta pa kami sa Bazaar. Pupunta pa kami sa Carpet Kineme. And medyo haggard tayo today. We had our late night walk around ano ang pununtahan namin? Tasim? Was it Tasim? I don't know. Editor, flashback. Tapos, ayun, after ng mga events, didiretso na kami sa airport. Ayan. Tapos, uwi na. It's gonna be a very long day, guys. So, hopefully, kayanin natin considering lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay-buhay. Lasing pa ako. Anyway, ayan na itsura ng room namin. So, ayan na, naka-empake na si Sir Ed at
Good morning mga Franilets.
ayan, or Francises.
Francises.
Or Musicals. Di pa sila decided eh. Tapos ito yung bed. Ganito namin siya iiwan. Ayan. Thank you so much FWD for this amazing room. And I'm gonna miss this view. Akala mo naman tinitignan ko lagi.
We will load the big luggages first.
Thank you. Hey! Uwian na! Uwian na!
Merci beaucoup. Wow, parang sis.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup daw, sabi ni ADR. Hey guys, basta kami. And we are going to... Saan tayo pupunta? Istanbul. What a fourth day, lutang mo na.
Apat na araw ka na nasa Istanbul.
Ayoko na. Paano ba to? Fourth day. Vlog, sorry.
Fourth day na, we're going to Istanbul.
Bahala na. Kung ano mapanood nyo, yun na yun. Yes guys, I need your help. Today we are going to...
Where?
Galata Tower. We're going to gala in the Galata
Alam ko na.
Tower.
To Mosque. Blue Mosque. And then...
Galata Tower.
Yeah, Galata Tower.
We will make
Okay.
gala in Galata
And
Tower.
then
There's the Carpet Kineme.
carpet weaving.
Carpet
You
In
have
the
to
Grand
weave
Bazaar.
Okay.
Miss
You have to
Grand.
buy the carpet.
And then we have to buy.
It's 20,000.
Actually, let's wait for Omer to discuss. Ayan yan, sama na lang kayo guys. Basta nakalis na kami sa hotel. Oy, babay kayo sa hotel namin. Hotel, bye Crown. You did your best.
Bye-bye.
Bye Crown.
Bye-bye. So, magandang umaga.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, everyone. Good night. It was not easy, but we managed. Outside, sightseeing, walking. So what we need to do again, we need to send our positive energies. Cross the finger, make the clouds disappear. Then we will have a smooth and comfortable tour today. First, we will go for the Blue Mosque. After that, on the way going to Grand Bazaar, we will stop for the Carpet Weaving Association, and then we will go for the Grand Bazaar. You will have your free time in Grand Bazaar. After that, we will go for lunch. Lunch today will be late because of our late departure. Okay, a little bit late lunch. Finally, we will go for Galata Tower, quick photo stop and taxi. Let me tell you about these places a little bit in advance, just to prepare you for the day attractions. Keep seated, fasten your seatbelt, We are not going to drive too long. Soon we will get there and I will take advantage of this drive to let you know.
Hey guys! We are walking. Today is a walking tour apparently.
And it's raining.
Yes, it's raining hard. Hindi naman hard. Okay naman yung hard. It's raining. Amer, can you say hi to the vlog?
Hi, Philippines.
Hello! Hello! Ayan. Oo. So ayun na nga. Parang ano ba sasabihin ko? Naglalakad kami, umuulan. Pupunta kami Blue Mosque. Kahapon nandito na kami, pero sa other side. Tama ba?
Ayan, maaraw, umuulan. May kinakasal
Ano?
na bala.
Tikbalang? Asan ba yung mga tikbalang na kinakasal? Andito pala yung mga tikbalang. Andito pala sila. Sorry. Mag-hi ko muna kayo sa vlog.
Ayan na. Ayan ang araw na.
Ito yung mga tikbalang na kinakasal. Okay, we will follow you. We'll follow you wherever you may go. I will follow you. Babae na yung boses. I'll follow you wherever you may go. Andito na tayo sa mosque. Yay! It's a pretty mosque. Ganda oh, yung puno. Ganda. So pag tagsibol, dapat maraming dahon to, di ba? Ganda. Kaya pala siya tinawag na Blue Mosque kasi blue nga siya. Kaya, oo.
Tatawagin ba siyang Blue Mosque kung red?
Kasi baka purple siya, pero blue yung tawag. Ang ganda.
Pagalitan na naman kita.
Oo, ewan ko ba dito?
Mother.
Pagkasama ko to, wala na akong vlog na hindi ako napagalitan.
Sabi pa naman Blue Mosque kung red siya.
Malay mo. Ayan na.
Okay, go. Group hug.
Okay.
Group hug.
Group hug.
It's not written in the...
Group hug.
Can I get you a little bit closer?
Human one.
How close? Ayaw. Di ka niya bette. I met a new friend from yesterday. Maraming nangyari kagabi. Na hindi namin sasabihin. Secret lang. What happens in Istanbul stays in Istanbul. Yeah. Diba? At, di ba maganda ka dyan? Kasi may filter. Grabe ka. Di ako naman dumi ang muka. Grabe.
Kunin mo pa ako sa filter.
Balik natin yung filter. Di ba?
Sabi, hindi, sige, tanggalin mo.
Busy itong babae na to ha. Pag ako kuminis talaga. Ay, kambal pala si Mama Mary.
May kambal ako. May triplet.
Triplet ba? Ayan. Wow! That's a cute kitty. Look at you. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, Miming. You're so cute. May isa pa pinapakain sila. Ang dami nila. Ang daming cute kitties. Hi, cuties. Guys, look. They're asking us to remove our shoes there. This is the Blue Mosque, guys. Welcome. So cool.
Perché era l'ultimo.
Sa pansin nyo, di ba, ang daming mga healthy cats. Tingnan nyo, inaalagaan talaga nila. Mga healthy cats. Kasi pinapakain talaga sila, kaya sila healthy. Oh. Maglalagay ka ng pera, ikaw pala magpapakain.
Maglagay ka, may babagsak sa pagkain.
Akala ko yung babaksak. Baka siswertihin ako pag naglagay ako.
Fatih Belediyesi olarak minik dostlarımıza gösterdiğiniz ilgi için teşekkür ederiz.
Ganun lang kaunti yung piso. Tatlong ganun lang. Uy, baka masarap. Yung binili ko kasi last time matigas eh. Mukhang bago tong mga to.
Sana may soy.
Ay, ay, hindi po mainit. Hindi siya daw mainit.
Bakit nung nakaraan, kahapon mainit? Dito ba tayo kahapon?
Isang chocolate, isang make please para
Go, Didge, mamili ka. Didge, pengi. Humingi na lang. Ay, ayan na, may chocolate. Oh, kasama kayo sa vlog. Oh, kumain ka sa harap ko. Wow. Oh, Didge, kumain ka sa harap ko. Kasama ka sa vlog.
pagdayo.
Okay na. Yes. Oh, what? You're gonna give me? Oh, naiyak ako.
Pero bagong lahat, hawakan mo muna to.
Ano ba yan? Uutusan pala ako. Malaglag ko to. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Kay. Oo. Thank you.
Nakataka ka good sa makainay.
Oo. Ah. Napanood mo ba yung vlog?
Ha?
Napanood mo ba yung vlog?
Hindi pa. Anong vlog?
Japan. Sinasabi ko doon, nandun yung crush mo sa lobby. Oo. Oo. Sinabi ko. Kaso di ka nagre-reklamo. So, nakapost lang siya doon. Tapos sinasabi ko din doon na ikaw yung gustong-gustong uminom. Okay lang yan. Sige. Thank you. Late na kami. Nahuhuli na kami.
This is an art demonstration, and this is the history of British people. So we should give them respect. We should silently listen. If you're not interested, thanks. If you're interested, so this art you may purchase because it's reliable, lifetime guarantee. Are we deal with this?
Yes,
Let's go.
Oo, cause of delay po siya. Oh, consistent. Ito na yung Okay, we're going to watch kung paano sila mag-weave ng carpets here. Gusto ko to. Oh, ang ganda nito. Mukhang handkerchief. Ang ganda nito. Ah, nakakayak. Seoul. May orange. Ang cute. Saan mo gagamitin yan? Placemat. Ganun. Ay, ang cute naman nito. Sarap. 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 So, paano ko titikman ngayon? Sarap daw. Habang nag-choose sila. Ang ganda niyang gawing scarf. Guys, 1.8 million to. 1.8 million pesos. Naapakapakan natin. Apakan mo din. Para masyado mong umapak ka sa 1.
1.8?
Oo.
Seryoso ba talaga?
Oo nga. 300
USD.
300,000. Ay, 30,000.
30,000 USD.
Yes, 1.8 million pesos. Ang ganda niya. Sol. Saol. Galing. Guys, 1.8 million na carpet. Wholesale. Amazing.
Hi.
Ay.
Gusto ko dito yung asawa ko, malamang nakabili na yun.
Ah, mahilig siya sa ganyan-ganyan.
Sisi, there's a reason for us to come back. Oo. Mahilig siya yung mga anything na souvenirs, bibili pa ng artwork. Wow.
Naula ka na.
Mashallah.
Mashallah.
What's that?
Hindi ko alam.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Saul.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Saul.
Mashallah.
Mashallah is like more, God bless you.
God.
Bless you.
Yeah.
And we have also Inshallah,
Inshallah.
which is I hope so.
Yeah. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
How about in Turkey?
So right is my turn, I think. Like a mercy. How beautiful jewelry. Mercy is taking for everyone. When you see the beauty, you say Mashallah. When you see the beauty, you say Mashallah.
Mashallah. Beauty. Oh, mashallah. Can you say something to the viewers, inviting them to...
Hello YouTube. You have to visit here. Send the
O aşağı kilim bakma indirdiniz kız ne oldu?
Thank you. Saul. Sorry.
Walang patience.
Napakapakan mo ba yung 1.8 million na carpet?
Naapakan ko, 1.8 million.
Ba? Tapos kinumpute namin, maghahati-hati kami.
Yeah, tapos
Kinumpute-
yun na lang yung furniture ko guys ha, kapag pupunta kayo doon, doon na lang kayo lapag.
Pero nag-ibang color.
True.
And medyo malamig-lamig.
Nag-compute kami, paghati-hati, rerentahan per day, 5K per day. So kung 3 days, 15,000.
Mindset ba? Mindset?
All the Grand Bazaar. One another thing, we need to be careful. One another thing. Bags. We will take the bags in front of us in Grand Bazaar. Can you follow me, please?
Okay. Mas mahal na siya, 90 na siya.
Kaya 50 lang dun sa hotel.
Ganito rin yung mga itsura.
Yes.
Pero iba siya.
Gusto ko yung mga bakal kasi.
Ay, oo nga no, hindi siya bakal yung sa amin. Oh, okay. Kaya siya medyo mas mahal kasi bakal. Hi! Dinstak mo ka! Tumakbo. Ba't ganun? Ang ganda ng jacket mo pala. Nakakatuwa.
May mga tambay-tambayan dyan.
Oo. Oo nga eh. Ba't ganun? Tabi-tabi yung mga moske. Moske dito. May moske doon. May moske din doon. Ano? Moske ng moske?
Bakit lahat blue mo?
True.
Baby blue mo.
Baby blue, navy blue.
Medium blue.
Powder blue moss. Ganon.
Powder.
Oo.
Ayun o. Baka may kape-kape yan.
Uy, ano kayo? Mag-hi kayo? Maglakad kayo? Oo. Lakad kayo papunta sa akin. 1, 2, 3, go! Hindi naglakad si DJ. Reset. Check. Baka ito. Ay, no. Thank you. And then the coffee? Chocolate coffee?
Hot chocolate.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Coffee, bago umuwi.
Amerikano na lang.
Choco. Hindi ka na nagsusugar, no?
Sasakit yung siya.
Grabe, the discipline naman this baby boy.
Dahil dyan, nag-remote. May ad pala.
Oh, we are eating lunch here.
Wow.
Ah. Hello.
Kung hindi mo pa ito pa-basement. Hanggang mag...
Saan na naman nila tayo dadalhin?
Dito na ito.
Parang may kaba ako nararamdaman na. Ma'am, sigurado ka pa ba dito? Oo, sigurado pa. Okay.
Part pa ba talaga ito?
Hi tayo kay Ma'am Ras. Ayan. Si Ma'am Ras po ang nag-aayos ng aming lahat. Kain na. The Big 11 table. Guys, antok na ako. Guys, this is ravioli. Ang ravioli ay
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
1, 2, 3. Tara! Alamode. This is our dessert. Alamode. Si Raul.